The health benefit of water on our body. Aside from keeping our body clean, our body also composed of 70% to 75% water. That makes water an important component of our nutrition. We can survive without food for 4 weeks, but only 3 days without water. Because it forms up the majority of the blood and tissue, it's important for transporting nutrients, hormones, and waste throughout our bodies. Our brains are 95% water, our blood is 82% water, and our lungs are 90% water. If our body's water content was reduced by 2%, we would become dehydrated. Dehydration causes a variety of symptoms, including impaired memory, thirst, fatigue, and weakness, as well as the dryness of the tongue, lips, and eyes, and lots more. Mild dehydration is a common cause of fatigue throughout the day. Nearly 75% of Americans suffer from mild dehydration. This is a bit alarming when you consider how easy it is to access water from bottled water, drinking fountains, or at home. What role does water play in our lives? Our joints are lubricated by water, which also forms the fluids that surround them. It relieves constipation by forcing food through our intestines to eliminate waste, making it the most effective detoxifying agent. Water has an important part in disease prevention, even if you aren't aware of it. According to some scientists, drinking 8 glasses of water each day can help reduce the incidence of colon cancer by 45%, bladder cancer by 50%, and even breast cancer by preventing it. How to get rid of a common cold? To battle colds and flu, the most effective technique is to prevent them in the first place. Washing your hands frequently, taking vitamins, and avoiding people who have colds or the flu are all good ways to go about it. Many experts, however, believe that proper hydration is the most important and straightforward method of preventing the common cold, also known as a rhinovirus. Drinking enough water aids in the removal of unwanted toxins and pollutants from our bodies, as well as the formation of mucus that helps filter unwanted particles in our lungs. Your body consumes even more fluids when fighting a cold or flu, so drinking more water while you're experiencing those symptoms will keep you from being severely dehydrated. A high fever can also be caused by dehydration. We lose water when breathing, sweating, or passing gas. Our bodies need to refill this water in order to eliminate toxins and function effectively, so how much water do we need? Some experts suggest to drink 1.5 to 2 liters, 8 cups, per day. It all relies on your activities and diet. Because vegetables and fruit are typically high in water, you'll have to consume lesser water if you eat a lot of them. A watermelon contains approximately 95% water, while an orange contains approximately 87%. You should drink more water if you are doing a workout or sweating a lot in a hot atmosphere. This is where good judgment comes into play. When you feel thirst, drink as much water as you need. Before, during,